Today we're using the grain bin volume calculator, Bushels, which calculates the total storage capacity of cylindrical grain bins with peaked roofs. Let's examine the three input fields. First, we have bin diameter in feet, where you'll enter the diameter of your grain bin. Next is eave height in feet, which is the vertical wall height from the base to where the roof begins. Finally, peak height in feet measures the additional height from the eave to the top of the peaked roof. For this demonstration, I'll enter a bin diameter of 30 feet, representing a typical mid-sized grain storage bin. The eave height is 24 feet, which gives us substantial vertical storage space. The peak height is 8 feet, creating that characteristic conical top section. After clicking Calculate, the calculator provides the total volume in bushels. This output represents the complete storage capacity of your grain bin, combining both the cylindrical body volume and the additional volume created by the peaked roof section. This total bushel capacity is essential for planning grain storage operations and determining how much product your facility can handle. Find the link in the description below.